Ciao, bentornati in cucina con Josie e Carlos.
Welcome everybody to another edition of Josie and Carlos Kitchen.
Today I will let Carlos cook. I'm going to be the helper. And tell us, Carlos, what are you cooking?
Today we are going to be cooking one of my favorite dishes, shrimp with linguine.
Oh, linguine con gamberi.
Yes.
What kind of ingredients do we need?
Okay, let me show you. Okay, these are the items that we will need. Naturally, shrimps, garlic, and plenty of it,
Not all of it.
butter, fresh parsley, lemon, and white wine. And with this, we will create a wonderful meal.
You forgot the linguine.
And we forgot the linguine. And again, linguine. Thank you, Josie.
You're welcome. That's why I'm the helper.
I'm going to start by putting some oil in the pan. And we're going to melt the butter. And while we wait for the butter to melt, we are going to put pasta in the water, in the boiling water. The pasta should take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook, but we're only going to cook it a little less than that, and we're going to finish it cooking it in the sauce here. Now the butter is almost melted, we are going to put our garlic. And we have to make sure that we do not burn the garlic. Garlic has a beautiful taste, but if it's burned, it won't taste good. Next, our hot peppers. This is optional. If you don't like hot peppers, you can keep it out. If you really like hot stuff, you can put more. But it's totally optional. I can smell the garlic. And so now we are going to put the shrimps. The shrimps, we are just going to cook them for a couple minutes. We don't want to cook them too long, otherwise they become rubbery. And as they cook, now we are going to wait for my wine. Let me flip them over so you can see they're changing color already. And alright, so now we are going to give them a couple of seconds just to cook on the other side. And now we are going to put our wine, white wine, I'm sorry. Make sure you use some good wine, something that you would drink. If you wouldn't drink it, don't put it in here. So now we're going to let them cook for an extra few minutes. And by the time they are ready, our pasta will be ready. This is, as you can see, is a quick dinner, a quick meal. This takes just as long as the pasta to cook. The shrimps will be ready, and we will be ready with. Okay, shrimps are almost ready. Now we are going to add some lemon, some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Just mix it up a little. The pasta should be ready. I am going to lower the heat, and we'll taste the pasta. Oh. Again, pasta is ready, not fully cooked. Because we are going to finish cooking it with the shrimp. And now we got it all. So we are going to mix it a little with the shrimp. And at this point, we are going to also add our parsley. And we are just going to mix it. Oh, it smells great. It smells great. Yep. And our meal is done. And now from here, we are going to go and plate it and serve it. So there we go. And here's our dish, complete shrimp with linguine.
It looks beautiful, Carlos.
Well, thank you. It is time to taste it. Josie, would you like to do the tasting?
Yes, I will. Thank you. I'll be the judge today. Mmm. Delicious. Pasta is al dente, perfect. Let me taste the shrimp. Very good. Carlos, you taste it now.
Yes. That garlic, lemon, the wine, all those flavors are there. Yes, yes. Boom. Yes. This is a great dish. Doesn't take that long.
Try it.
Try it. Let us know how it is. Thank you for being with us. Again, chin chin.
Chin chin.
Subscribe. Let us know what you think. Thank you.
Alla prossima.
See
you on the next
ciao.
one.